What's up guys, my name's Connor and today I have a review for you guys on the newest Rolex Submariner. This is going to be the reference number 124060. I'm going to be unboxing and breaking down all the details of this watch. So if you guys do enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to like, subscribe buttons. It really does help my channel, get my videos shown to more people. And also if you guys are looking to buy anything, sell anything, make sure to reach out to me on Instagram at Connor Langley and I'll be happy to help you guys there. But with that said, let's get right into the review. Alright guys, so first things first, just before I begin unboxing, I want to go over the retail cost of this watch. This watch actually retails at $8,100, but if you guys are new to Rolex, you guys might not know that the wait list on a watch like this is probably going to be around 3 to 4 years, and in that time they're probably going to forget about you. So if you guys are able to come up on a watch like this at retail, you're looking at about a $5,000 profit, as the market on this watch is between $13,000 and $14,000 USD. So beginning the unboxing part of this video, here's going to be the Rolex crown. Obviously the outer box is just going to be a creamish color. We're just going to take off the top part like this, set it to the side. You guys will see this little paper right here that Rolex gives out just to cover the inner box. I believe that the main reason that they do that is to keep the crown protected right here because it can get scratched up. And also at the bottom right here, you guys will see Rolex. And taking this straight out, I'll set it to the side. You guys will be able to see the inner Rolex box right here. If you guys want to see the bottom right there, there you go. But opening it up, we will have the beautiful reference number 124060 Submariner Rolex right here. And before I get into all the details of this watch, I want to show you guys exactly what a watch like this comes with. For those of you guys who haven't bought from Rolex before, here is the Geneva tag right here. Here is the serial tag right here with the serial number as well as the reference number right there. Here is the card for the watch. You guys can see it's a 2021 right there. You guys can actually see the exact date that it was purchased. Here's like the warranty card. Here is the worldwide service guarantee manual. And then here's what they stored in right here if you guys want to look at that. Set it to the side. And here will be the Oyster Perpetual Submariner booklet that they give out with Submariner watches. But you guys are watching this video, so you guys will get the main parts that will be included in here. So you guys will definitely have a good understanding of this watch by the end of the video. But right here, I'll take out the watch and show you guys it up close. Here's how it's going to look. I have all the links attached. It's as it was just right when it was purchased from Rolex. You guys can see we have the Oyster Perpetual bracelet right here, as well as the Oyster case. And then for those of you guys who don't know, this is going to be a 41mm watch, and the case right here is going to be ceramic, as you guys can see. It will be rotatable for 60 minutes. I believe that the function of that is for divers, just so they can track the oxygen that's left in their tank in 60-minute increments, if that makes sense. And obviously the dial is going to be black as well. And I thought there was a reason why they made it black. I wasn't 100% sure, but when I was looking at the Rolex site, I did notice that the reason why was so that the luminescent part of this watch, obviously the numerals right here, will be more reflective when you're underwater wanting to look at the watch. Because for those of you guys who don't know, Submariners are watches that are made for divers, and they have different functions, like how you can bring them into water for 300 meters or 1,000 feet, and the reflectiveness of the luminescent numerals with the black face makes it so that you can see it while it's underwater or dark. And then the movement of this watch is going to have the newest 3230 movement, and it's going to have a screw down case back. I'll show you guys the back of the case really quickly. As you guys can see, and then the lock system, we're going to have a Triplock waterproof crown system. So you guys, when you guys look at the crown right here, you guys can obviously pull it out, and the first part when you pull it out will be the winding. So obviously you want to wind the watch. This watch will have a 70-hour power reserve. Then once you pull it out one more time, that's the one that will change the time. And then taking a closer look at the dial, or right in front of it, we will have the sapphire crystal face on this watch, which is going to be extremely scratch resistant. But this watch just looks very classic. The black face with the black dial and black bezel makes it extremely recognizable for different people that know about Rolex. And when you guys are looking at the very back side right here with the crown, you guys will be able to take it off and see that we will have the glide lock system right here. And some of you guys are not sure what the glide lock system is. All you're gonna do is you're gonna pull down like I just did, and you will have a lot of room to adjust perfectly to your wrist. But with that said, I'll just try on the watch for you guys. So here's how the watch is going to look. Obviously I make it look like it kind of fits at the beginning, but as you guys can see, it is absolutely huge on me. Like I said, I kept all the links on this watch. I purposely bought it to sell, as I have the 114060 and I don't notice the biggest difference, and I might as well save the money and profit off this one when I can. You guys can see the little crown right here, obviously the Oystersteel bracelet, and the bezel right here. If you guys look really closely, you guys can kind of see the luminescence. If I turn off the light, you guys can also kind of see it right now. It's super light outside, and even when I try to close the shades of my windows, it is still super dark in this room. Or I would give you guys an example of the luminescence of this watch, but I'm sure you guys understand, as in a few other videos that I made in the dark, I did show how the lume works on these Rolexes. And like I said, you guys can turn the bezel, but you guys can only turn it one way, and it's the 60 minutes for divers so that they can keep track of what is left in their tank. So let me know what you guys think of this watch. Let me know what other watches you guys want to see on my channel. I have a Hulk, Yachtmaster, a few other different Submariners that are made of gold, different colors, the ones with the blue faces. I also have a Presidential coming in. So I do have some crazy watch reviews coming soon for you guys, but let me know any specific watches you guys want to see. Let me know any adjustments that you guys want me to make on my videos, because I do want them to be very enjoyable to watch. And also, if you guys are looking to buy anything, sell anything, I've done business with quite a few of you guys. You guys just reach out to me on Instagram at Connor.Langley. You can chat there. If you guys are looking for me to source something, I can do that. If you guys are just looking to get rid of a bunch of stuff, we can do that. Because I've literally had people message me, and within 15 minutes of talking, we've already locked down a $20,000 deal. So let me know what you guys want to do, and you guys can always reach me there. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.